Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Aygo. In this video I'll show you how to unlock the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look under the dashboard and right here in this jam. This is this tiny black lever. It's responsible for the hood unlocker. Simply pull it to unlock the hood. Now let's take a look at the hood. And to lift it, we have to place our fingers around here in the middle. Push the lever left and now you can pull up the hood. The lever is located right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.